I'm just videotaping the moon. Looked kind of strange tonight. And looky there. Wow, it's fading in and out. Ha. Now it's totally gone. Almost. It's jumping and moving. It's kind of bouncing. That is not a cloud going over it. It's fading in and out. It's changing shape. Oh my gosh. Oh my God in heaven. Oh my goodness, nobody looks up. There it goes again. It's supposed to be a crescent moon? The hell is that? Oh mercy. This is not right, people. This is not right. What is going on up here? There's a star right next to it. Where's the star? The star's not even showing up. There it is. That's the star. I've gotten him before. I think that's Venus. Wow. Oh, he's jumping around and moving too. I'm keeping the phone still, camera still. This thing is bouncing everywhere. Merciful God. What's going on? Let's go back to the moon, right? Yeah. There's the moon. So-called moon. It's wild up there. It just jumped again. Golly, did you guys see that? It bounced. Looks like the nose of Rudolph. Who the hell is that? It's a shiny nose. I have got my eyes on you. Dude.